In 2009, we discovered international travel as a family and we did a trip to Bali. Just before this, Phil had gone to Barcelona for work and came home saying, I would love the place. In 2013, we finally got to Europe. By 2019, we had done 5 trips with the hopes of returning often. We had a trip for 2020 with a cruise booked and other planning well underway. That was cancelled like many others due to COVID. During COVID, Phil had to use all of his leave due to border closures, and then last year, cancer became part of my story, prolonging our next trip to Europe until April 2023. So please join us as we travel to London and Ireland. In this series, we will wander the streets of London in the sun, revisiting places we love, eating amazing street food while exploring markets. We'll get to check out all the public transport options and explore beautiful places to revive your body and soul. Ireland is a new to us destination, so join us as we explore the city of Dublin and make discoveries we weren't expecting. Phil gets to drive amazing roads while we see some of the most stunning scenery, get to touch history and paddle in. Join us as we share these places through our eyes. We'll share tips along the way that we've learnt to help you get the most out of visiting these destinations. And we would love it if you would join us by hitting that subscribe button. We look forward to this series and we look forward to sharing so much more of Europe in the future. Thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.